Multiplying fractions is very simple. You multiply the two top numbers, so in this case it would be 2 times 4, and then you multiply the two bottom numbers. So here it's 3 times 5. And the answer is 8 over 15. For mixed numbers, it's slightly more complicated. You must change the mixed number into a top-heavy fraction. For this first fraction, we have 3 wholes and 1 quarter. We have to ask ourselves how many quarters that is in total. 1 whole is 4 quarters. So 3 wholes is 12 quarters. Then we have the extra quarter. So altogether, this equals 13 quarters. A faster method of doing this would be to multiply the bottom by the whole number, add on the top. 4 times 3 is 12, add on 1 gives me 13. Using this method for the second fraction, 3 times 2 is 6, add on 2 is 8 over 3. You then do the same method as before. 8 times 13 to give 104, and 4 times 3 to give 12. This question asks us to write the answer in its simplest form. So we need to convert this answer back into a mixed number. We need to ask ourselves, how many 12s are there in 104? 8 12s is 96, leaving 8 12ths left over. But the 8 12ths can be simplified further. You can divide 4 into both 8 and 12. 4 goes into 8 twice and goes into 12 3 times. Here is a question for you to try. Pause the video, try the question and press play for the answer. First, convert the fractions into improper fractions or top-heavy fractions. This first fraction would become 3 times 2 is 6, add on 2, so that would be 8 thirds. The second fraction would be 4 times 1 is 4, add on 3 is 7 over 4. Then multiply the top numbers. 8 times 7 gives me 56, and 3 times 4 gives me 12. We haven't been asked to simplify this, but you can by asking how many 12s go into 56. 4 12s is 48, leaving 8 left over. 4 and 8 12ths can be further simplified into 4 and 2 thirds.